For a bow and arrow, you're going to need a brown 260 for your bow. I'm using a pink 160 for my drawstring, and then a green 260 for my arrow. We'll start by inflating our brown 260 almost all of the way. Give it a good stretch, and we're going to inflate it almost all of the way. So it's all the way. I'm going to let some air out, give myself a very small tail, and tie it on. Give it a good squish. Bring both ends together and pull down to find the center. Okay, so it should be about halfway. You're going to want to jog, then end with the knot up a little bit more. And then we're going to spiral twist this. Squish it, pull it out, and twist them. So out, twist, and also rotate around when you pass it. So out, in, rotate around, pass it, okay? Feel like this. Once you get close to the end, you can manipulate the bubbles to keep them almost the same. Take this end of your nozzle and pop it off. Usually you want to lock it. You can just take this one, turn it into a pinch twist, and then I'll lock it in. Okay, so now we've locked it. Take your 160 and tie that in there. I like to start at the tail end so it pushes the air. So hold it, wrap it around, through, and then around, and that'll hold it in, okay? Then we're gonna go to the bottom, make a crease here by squishing that balloon together so you have somewhere to tie your string to. Okay, so just pull it down nice and soft. You don't need a lot of tension at all. Pass it through one time, and then another, and then just tie it off. The looser that string is, the better. It doesn't need to be tight, and you don't want a lot of arch. That's just fine. Now we're gonna make our arrow a good stretch. We're gonna inflate our balloon about halfway. Okay, so 4, almost an 8-finger tail, nice and soft. Tie it off. Hey, thank you for joining the live. I appreciate you guys. We're just building a bow and arrow. So now we're gonna make 4 2-finger pinch twists. Okay, so 1, 2, but then take that nozzle and tie it up into this balloon. So pass it to it, rotate these holding that nozzle, and then pass it through. Okay? Now if you rotate this through, it's going to create a pinch twist. So just rotate that through, and it creates 2 pinch twists. Okay, good twist. We're going to do the same thing. 2 2-finger pinch twists. 1, 2, 2 2-finger bubbles, right back up into itself, twist it in, and then twist this balloon all the way through them all the way through them all, spinning while you're twisting through it. Then you adjust your pinch twists, and you'll end up with the end for your arrow. Okay? Straighten up your arrow just a little bit, and then squish this down a little, twist it, tie it off. I like to do a double knot. It adds a little bit of weight, like so. And then you're gonna cut it not too close, so that way it has some weight. Okay? Put some weight. Then when you put the arrow on, you just set it in the middle and drop it forward. And like hold it with your fingernails. So you can take your drawstring, hold it, and it really fires. So yeah, bow and arrow. Good job, guys.